The program has an international reputation, so it's the best option that somebody as a researcher, as a young researcher, should look for. The idea of applying with Graz comes because it's very much a hub of the expertise that I was looking for. It has the right combination of not a big city where you could be lost, but also a city that can offer you, like in terms of a social life, which can be manageable at the same time. My child now is in the kindergarten, my wife is looking for a PhD, so life's come much more easy. It's not only on one direction, but it offers a kind of family package for the young researchers, so that's something to be appreciated. The university helped me with fulfilling the application, both from the administrative staff but also on the content base, like with the center that I would cooperate.
What I find particularly interesting about the Marie Curie program is that it allows young researchers to come up with their own research proposal, find the perfect place for conducting this research and get the project fully funded until conclusion.
Unigraz has established a workshop and invite all external postdocs to come to Graz covering their travel expenses.
I'm convinced you can find interesting partners for conducting your research.
They offer you valuable background information to help you draft a competitive proposal.
And in recent years we have been quite successful in securing several of those grants. We will be happy to support you in securing a Marie Curie fellowship to work at the University of Graz.